Wow, amazing.
If you come, they're very tempting. They look delicious. Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. I am so excited. Today we'll be harvesting some of our strawberries and I'll be trying them out to see how they taste. I am really excited.
Wow, amazing.
We have so many to harvest.
Oh, beautiful.
And they're fully wrapped as well, so they're going to taste nice and sweet. Wow, they look amazing. Let me harvest some of these. Ones, Dad.
Oh, that's plenty.
There is.
That's plenty.
I think we should wash them and try some out. I hope I don't eat all of them before my niece and nephew come. They're very tempting. They look delicious. That tastes so delicious. It's so sweet. That is one of the best strawberries I ever had. It's so sweet and it's so soft. I have to have another one. And Dad, you should try one of these. They're so sweet and delicious. Ilyas and Ilana, come and try some fresh strawberries. Come on guys. Ilyas, take one. Lana, you have one as well. We've already washed it, Ilyas.
It's washed.
Try it.
Try, Lana.
Try it, Ilana. What does the strawberry taste, Ilana?
Sweet.
It's really sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
I tried one and I really liked it. It was one of the best strawberries I've ever had. What do you think of it, Ilyas?
That's sweet.
Like it?
I'm going to try one more with you guys. Ilana, it's so delicious. Guys, the strawberries are so nice and sweet. And they're really soft. You just take another one. Remember, we need to leave some for Harris because he's going to come soon. Hope you enjoyed watching this short strawberry harvesting video. Because we really have, didn't we guys?
Yeah.
Don't forget to hit that like button. I will see you in the next one. Do you guys want another one? Go on, Ilyas. I think Harris is here. We'll give him a few. Ilana, you have one.